This is my Triumph Daytona 660. Today I'm going to install the front axle sliders on my Triumph Daytona 660. I am going to install this front axle slider on my Triumph Daytona 660. This is an original Triumph part. The part number for this is A9648075. One advantage here with Triumph is that this axle is a pass-through. It's a hollow axle, as you can see the light through there, which means that axle sliders will go right through, so I don't have to take out any axle nuts, things like that. So that will make this install easy. So let's go ahead and open this box and take the parts out. I am assuming there are a few parts in here, but as usual this is very well packed like Triumph parts. So the box nicely set in a tray, divider, missing more warranty cards. I do have downloaded instructions on my laptop for this installation, also pretty much straightforward I believe. So as usual, one so that's how it is. I believe this comes apart and goes through the axle. Okay, according to Triumph, this end with the threaded connection needs to be removed along with the slider or protector, and they call this a spigot. And this end gets inserted into the front axle or spindle from the right side of the motorcycle. So now we go to the motorcycle and finish the installation. Now we are on the right side of the motorcycle, so we insert this rod through the pass-through axle nut. But before I do that, I think I should remove this sticker. Okay, it's finally out. Still has some glue residue in it, but whoever put that on this, it's stuck on this thing pretty good. Such a bad idea. So now just need to make sure that this is on here. The other side, to this side. I guess that concludes the front axle sliders installation on Triumph Daytona 660. Thank you for watching.